Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In our last video, we have discussed about the modes of nutrition. In this video, we'll study about the autotrophic nutrition. So हमने ये देखा था कि जो organism है वो अपना food खुद prepare करते हैं with the help of photosynthesis. So we'll study the photosynthesis in detail. What do we mean by photosynthesis? Photo means light and synthesis means to prepare. So guys, there are 3 steps in the photosynthesis process. First one, the sunlight we are getting from the sun is trapped by the chlorophyll of the leaf. So what is chlorophyll and where does it present? Chlorophyll is the green pigment present in the thylakoid membrane of the chloroplast. So guys, what is chloroplast? We'll study. Chloroplast is the double membrane organelle present in the plant. This is outer membrane and this is inner membrane. So these are the grana and the single grana is called thylakoid. The group of thylakoid is called grana and one single grana is called thylakoid. The structure forming the bridge in between is called the stromal lamellae. This is connecting the bridge between the thylakoid and the grana, and this is stroma. This is the fluid which is present in the whole chloroplast. So, the site of photosynthesis is thylakoid membrane, and in thylakoid a lumen is also present. So guys, the energy is trapped by the thylakoid membrane of the chloroplast. Now second process is, now the energy which is trapped by the leaf is converted into chemical energy. So now you are thinking that why does chemical energy is required? Because to break the raw materials, formed by plants. So there are 4 raw materials which are break down by the chemical energy. So what are those? First is sunlight. Second, carbon dioxide. Third, water. And the fourth one is chlorophyll. So now we'll study about the raw materials. And where does we get the raw materials from? First one is carbon dioxide. We get it by air. Second, sunlight. Plants get the sunlight from the sun. And the third one is water and minerals. Plants get the water and minerals by the roots. And the fourth one is chlorophyll. So chlorophyll is itself present in the leaf of the plant. So these are the 4 raw materials which are needed in the process of photosynthesis. Now we'll discuss about them. Now there is one equation which is very important in the process of photosynthesis. 6CO2 plus 12H2O in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll converted to C6H12O6, that is glucose plus 6 oxygen. This is the photosynthesis equation and it is very important. Now, the carbon dioxide is break down into glucose and the water is break down into oxygen. Carbon dioxide is break down in glucose, which is carbohydrates, and water is break down into oxygen. So these are the byproducts of the photosynthesis. So guys, there are two byproducts in the process of photosynthesis. First is carbon dioxide and the second one is oxygen. So this equation is very required in the process of photosynthesis. So by this process, plants take in carbon dioxide and take out oxygen. If the such process is not developed, the life on earth is not continued. So this helps in the global maintenance of the temperature. That is why the plants are producers and from the plants we get the oxygen. So in our next video, we'll discuss about the heterotrophic nutrition. Thank you.